Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Hey guys! Today, we took a quick drive to Canberra, which is about 3 hours from our place. We wanted to share our experience with you, especially if you're planning a trip with a toddler. So, let's dive in! Our first stop was the Partridge VC rest area. This is about an hour from our place, and it was a perfect spot to have breakfast. Next, we stopped by Weereewa Lookout at Lake George. This was a special moment for us because, believe it or not, this is the first time we've ever seen water in the lake. Every time we visited before, it was always dry. Seeing it filled with water was an amazing sight.
Are you happy?
After that, we headed to Lolo and Lola restaurant because we were craving Filipino food. If you're planning to visit, make sure to book through their website. The food here always brings us a taste of home. Next, we visited the Australian War Memorial. Being here makes you feel the history and sacrifices made during wartime. We decided to bring Callie along, even though she might not fully understand it yet. It's always good to introduce history early. Our final stop was the Parliament House. We explored the halls and the impressive architecture. If you're in Canberra, this is definitely a must-visit spot. That wraps up our daily trip to Canberra. We highly recommend visiting these places if you're planning a trip here. If you have other suggestions on places to explore, let us know in the comments. We'd love to check them out next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more family adventures. See you in the next video.